Good morning, guys. It's about 10:30. The plan for today is that instead of sitting at home and editing like I should be, since I now have 11 vlogs I think I need to edit and catch up with, I'm going to the beach with my mom. I think. You never really know sometimes, but I think we're going to the beach and she just wants to sit out and veg with some chairs and just relax. So as soon as I finish my hair, I'm gonna go see if she's still up for the plan, and if she is, then we're gonna be gone for the whole day possibly, or something like that. I don't know. Why am I talking to you like this when my hair looks like this? I look like an 80s girl. This is ridiculous. I need to do my hair. Okay, bye. Jade, I finished my homework. What time is it? It's 11:15.
Don't tell me to go to sleep.
You're going to sleep?
Yes.
Oh.
I'm tired. I haven't slept this early in a while.
Okay, bye, sissy.